Look, everybody's like out here. Where's Susie? So I just set out a buffet for the squirrels and birds. I have almonds, pecans, walnuts, all right here. And so these guys could enjoy what they watch on TV in real life now. And we'll get the live stream set up soon. Look at Lola and Jasper. See that Jasper? He's the big kitty. Ever since we got the new cats here, he's actually lost some weight. I guess being more active. But he's getting up there in age. Hi, Jasper. Hi, buddy. Hi, Butch. Where'd everybody else go? Oh, Susu. Where's Jeannie? Jeannie. Jeannie. Oh, Jasper knows how to say hello. Who walks their house and go, hello? Hello? Hi, Jasper. You say hello? Huh? Jasper? Yes, no? Butch? Susu. Do you like the sun? You don't know? I think the birds and stuff will enjoy this. Everything's coming back to life, thank God. Everything else has died. Except for everything I kept in the garage. Okay. Hello Kitty's on its way here to my house right now. I'm super excited. As soon as she gets here, I'm getting in the costume and I'm taking my dog for a walk. Get these up!